What is the meaning of break the ice? Correct answer. A. Start a conversation. What is the meaning of spill the beans? Correct answer. B. Reveal a secret. What is the meaning of hit the sack? Correct answer. C. Go to bed. What is the meaning of under the weather? Correct answer. C. Feeling unwell. What is the meaning of kick the bucket? Correct answer. C. Pass away. What is the meaning of let the cat out of the bag? Correct answer. C. Reveal a secret. What is the meaning of cost an arm and a leg? Correct answer. B. Very expensive. What is the meaning of piece of cake? Correct answer. C. Very easy. What is the meaning of burn the midnight oil? Correct answer. A. Work late. What is the meaning of hit the nail on the head? Correct answer. D. Be exactly right. What is the meaning of throw in the towel? Correct answer. C. Give up. What is the meaning of cry over spilled milk? Correct answer. C. Regret the past. What is the meaning of once in a blue moon? Correct answer. C. Very rarely. What is the meaning of the ball is in your court? Correct answer. A. Your decision now. What is the meaning of see eye to eye? Correct answer. A. Agree completely. What is the meaning of sit on the fence? Correct answer. C. Avoid the topic. What is the meaning of beat around the bush? Correct answer. D. Avoid the topic. What is the meaning of cut corners? Correct answer. B. Do something cheaply. What is the meaning of on the ball? Correct answer. C. Alert and efficient. What is the meaning of bite off more than you can chew? Correct answer. B. Take on too much.